Today, I will be talking about a leopard frog and the ways that they survive, eat, live, and how they are identified. The reason why I chose this amphibian to do research on because I thought it was interesting and I also liked the way that it looked. So, to start it off, what is an amphibian? Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water and moist environments to survive. They can live on lands or in water, which I thought was pretty interesting. They do not have paired fins. So, unlike fish, amphibians glide or use their hands and their feet to swim through water. So, on the right, I included some examples of amphibians and the ways that they look like and the different types of amphibians. Leopard frogs and why are they endangered? Leopard frogs have been endangered since 1970s. Some of the reasons why they are endangered is the loss of habitat, introduction to exotic animals such as bullfrog and crayfish, diseases that are spread, climate change effects on aquatic habitats, pollution due to unclean air and unclean waters, also the amount of garbage that is in their habitats. They are not poisonous. Some animals they need to be aware of are fish, raccoons, skunks, and aquatic snakes. These are all animals that prey on the leopard frog and they need to be aware of. The leopard frog's representative species is a frog. What do leopard frogs look like? They are green, brown, and sometimes yellow-greenish, covered with large, oval, dark spots, which is surrounded by a lighter halo or border. They do have smooth skin. On the bottom, I attached some pictures of the leopard frogs and the different type of skin textures and skin colors that they have. As you can see in the first picture, it is more of a light green. The second picture, it's more of a brown. And then the last picture, it has those really bright halos around the dark ovals. So there's multiple different types of colors that leopard frogs can be. Females mate once and lay between 1,000 to 5,000 egg clusters. The picture on the right shows the egg clusters and how slimy and clear they are, and also how where they do lay their clusters is in more of a wetland. Once the cluster is laid, they go through 3 stages. The first one being a tadpole, and then after that they will go through metamorphosis and become a juvenile, and then an adult frog. So the life cycle of a leopard frog is shown in the diagram on the right, where they start as a cluster, become a tadpole, into a juvenile, and then eventually they will become into an adult frog. Males are smaller than females. Males' eyes and ears are the same size. Males' ears are smaller than their eyes. So that's a way that you can tell if it is a male or a female. Where do they live? Leopard frogs are bred in a variety of aquatic habitats including slow or still waters, along streams, rivers, wetlands, permanent or temporary pools, beaver ponds, and even pits. The picture on the right shows the leopard frog swimming in the water. Leopard frogs are very fast. They can jump up to 3 feet, so this makes it very easy for them to catch their food and also run away from predators. Leopard frogs are carnivores. They eat a wide variety of animals including ants, beetles, flies, worms, and smaller frogs. The picture on the right, you can see that there is 2 leopard frogs eating a worm. They will pretty much eat anything that they can fit in their mouth. Their main diet consists of insects. They do not tolerate freezing conditions, so when they return to the water to hibernate for the winter months, on average, the lifespan consists of 5 to 8 years. The bottom, I attached some more pictures of leopard frogs and the type of environments that you can see them in and they can be located.